All right, so we're going to take one of these and screw off the top. And like I said, they did give you the batteries, which was pretty cool. And let me see if I could pull this off without having to get a knife. Okay, cool. That worked. All right, so positive side up, which positive side is right here, as you can see. And I guess it goes right in like that. And you put your cap back on. Now we have power. There's an anti-theft device that they sent. That's what these little nuts are for. So you can't just take them off easily. I don't have to worry about that right now. There's a wrench to take them off. I don't think I need to worry about that right now, so I'm just going to put them on without it. So I have the TPMS right here with me, right next to the tire. Instructions, because it's a little weird how to do this. So I guess we got to tap. And then this is like, I don't even know. I'm assuming this is a trailer, T1 is where you would do it. And you got axle 4, 5, and 6. So I guess if you got triple axles, this would be your truck, I guess. I don't know. So I'm going to go, I guess, axle 5, because that would be the second. I don't have a third set of wheels, so we're going to go here. Once you get to the screen, you have to screw this in, or actually hit auto learn right here. And try not to get you too much of a glare. So auto learn right there. And it says waiting. Now I take this and I screw it in. And we wait. And now, see there's a ID number right there. It's a DO7A4 or whatever. A8. Just right there. So now this one's all set up. Now we'll move on to the next one. And I'll do them all, and then we'll go test it out and see where it works, where it goes from there. All right, so we're back over here. We're going to do the other 3 TPMS. And there's 6 here. Again, I guess if you have a big trailer, like a 5th wheel toy hauler, you can use these to go ahead and monitor everything. This is super easy, guys. It's not that hard to do. Luckily, anyone with a little bit of just watching a video, that's what this video is for you to check it out and try to do it. All right, so now I have my 3 that I need to install in the other tires. So let's go do that now. All right, so here we are. This is right by the door. Wanted to get a little closer so I could show you guys. So let me take this cap off. And then what we're going to do is we'll go step by step on here. We're going to choose. So like if this was a trailer, we're going to choose these wheels. So the next one would be this one. If the trailer was facing this way, which the nose is that way, this would be the next wheel, which is this one here. So I just tap that. And then you click here, auto learn, and you see it says waiting. So now what I'll do is put this, tighten it up, and that should turn into, yep, see it there? DDO53A. So that one's good. That's it. That's all to it. Now let's do the other 2 and try to connect everything in the truck and peer up the rear camera, and then that way we can see everything all at once. We're going to go ahead and do this one now. This is the front driver's side. And that's ready to go. Then I'll go ahead and take the cap off. Now we'll hit auto learn. And we screw this in. And you should see it. Wow, that was instant. One important thing on this, guys, your valve stems have to be metal. Otherwise, if they're rubber, this thing is going to just whip around and just you're going to cause problems. So make sure you got metal on there and you'll be good to go. So I'm going to put the last one in now. Take the last one. Now, if you don't do the auto one, you could type that in manually into the manual ID right there, and it'll do the same thing. But, I mean, if it's going to do it automatically, so just go back to auto learn. Go ahead and put it in. You hear a little ear coming out. It's okay. Just tighten it up. And it's already done.